In this video, we're going to look at three different types of graphs that we will learn in statistics. The first one's called a histogram. This is a bar graph, and the bars actually touch, as you can see here. Every graph should have a title. It should have labels, and if we're looking at this one, there's a number of boys with a maximum yearly growth over here. So it's number of boys. They did from 1 to 9 on this one. You should always count consistently over here. If you're going to count by ones, or if you're doing twos, you do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Down in the bottom, they have a label telling you this is the ages. And what they did is they graphed the frequency at each age. This would be called a histogram. Now this one's called a frequency polygon. It's the same information, but this one, instead of being a bar graph, is a line graph. It's this black graph. So you put a dot up there instead of drawing a bar, and then you connect all your dots. And a frequency polygon does connect back down to the x-axis as well. The next one we're going to look at is a stem and leaf plot. The stem is the tens digit. The leaf is the units digit, or the ones digit. Okay? So for this data, if you're going to do a stem and leaf plot, now this textbook does not, but I highly recommend you put all your numbers in order. It will help you not miss any numbers. So go ahead and put them in order from smallest to largest, okay? What this textbook did is it took the first row and it found the smallest number, and it said, okay, I had a 47. So my stem would be 4, my leaf would be 7. Then they went to 50s. It's only one in the 50s, 57. Stem would be 5, leaf would be 7. Then they went to 60s. So there's a 64 and a 63. Stem would be 6, leaf would be 4 and 3. For the 70s, the only thing up there is a 75. So the stem is 7, the leaf is 5. For the 80s, there's two 82s. So you list them both. 8 is your stem, 2 is your leaves. So you would read this 47, 57, 64, 63, 75, 82, 82, 93. This shows the stem and leaf plot for the entire group of data, not just the first row. So it does help you a little bit to make comparisons. I highly recommend you put them in order though. This one is not in order on the right side. But you can tell there are more in the 70s than any other number. You can tell that the 40s have less. So there's information that can be drawn from that.